Today we will learn how to make YouTube thumbnails with Adobe Premiere Pro. Here I give a picture. We'll go to Effects and search Lumetri Color and drop it on top of layer. And we will go to the Effect Controls and select with the pen tools. I will take a line from the middle. Then from Lumetri Color, we will change its color according to our desire. Clicking on inverted here will bring the color to opposite side. It looks much nicer than before. Then draw a line with pen tool to make it look nicer. We will change the color of the line and set it nicely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.